Welcome to the Team Maker Formula, your solution to design, scale, and sell your business. I'm Annette Walter, and I'm really excited you are here. You are going to walk away from this course with so much information about your company. We're going to take a deep dive and audit every aspect of your business to uncover your next best hire. Then we're going to set a total interview process for your organization. I walk you right through everything, templates, Excel spreadsheets, all of the tools that you need, including me right by your side the entire time. I've done this before. I've coached thousands of entrepreneurs across the United States. I myself have bought, sold, started, grown 15 companies to date. I see the patterns in entrepreneurs. I know what you need. I know how you feel, and I am ready to evolve with you. Let's get started.